Hey guys, I'm sure you've heard that we're having another auction here at Rust Bros through EG Auctions. Registration is already open, so you guys can go online and register your bids. We got lots of really nice cars here, but do a girl a favor and don't bid on this one because this one is the one I want. But the auction's happening April 12th at 11 a.m. Don't forget to register here at Rust Bros. I can't tell you what lake we are on because I've now been sworn to secrecy, but we're out on our first sunny day fishing trip of the year. Yeah. It's like 15 degrees outside.
I think next time we're gonna have to break out the bikinis. We're on Wood Lake. I don't care. Wood Lake.
I'm already in my summer shorts. I put on pants and then sat 10 minutes in the sun and decided it was time for shorts.
Just keep the rod nice and bent. If it makes that sound when you reel, it's just making the line get really twisted up.
Reel a little bit more?
You so like go like this, you'll reel down, yeah, and then just pull up.
But then don't let tension on. You gotta reel down too, yeah. No, reel.
No, just,
well,
no.
You don't want to let.
I don't think you know. I don't think you know well enough to tell him.
Everybody just stop talking, and I'll get the pressure on.
See how it's pulling line on you? Yeah. So if he's doing that, there's no point in reeling. Well, it's just like twisting the line up on itself on the spool. Yeah, so then you pull them up and reel down.
I just seen the fucker bounce. I was like, oh, hold on.
That's a good fish, Jared. Jared's into something hefty. It peeled a good 50 feet of line immediately when he hooked into it, at least. And he the drag's is tight and she'll pretty well go.
My many years of 3 times fishing. No idea.
Dude, you get the kahuna is what you're getting.
Just give up. Throw him in a reel in a boat or something out of that water.
So yeah, it's actually just snagged on bottom. Yeah. Have you felt it do this at all?
A little bit. Okay. Yeah, I have been feeling it.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't think we were shallow enough because we were tagging bottom there like mad, but then we got out 15 feet deeper and you started seeing the bites. We're gonna go after him.
I don't know, it's not tugging anymore. That's dead. Be like a log or something?
Yeah.
It was bouncing, dude.
Yeah, I think he might be under something. That's why I spoke about Jason. Yeah, someone get the net ready.
Where is it?
Yeah, there's someone start reel. Oh, he's going for a run. Someone reel this in. Pull that in by hand. He's not coming in right away. He's peeling line.
I literally watched the big shadow on the screen, and then instantly he started reefing on the thing.
Oh my god!
Oh Jesus!
Oh, I caught some seaweed.
Oh, there we are. maybe.
Tried turning it off and turning it back on.
No, there's something seriously wrong here.
You want to start hand pulling?
Line spinning on my spool. That or I busted something off of my reel. This.
Especially at Western.
We got you can wrap it around.
Just have the.
I just need to go for another run.
You want me to pull on the end of it?
No, because you'll cut your fingers. That's how hard we're gonna need.
Or a pair of gloves?
Wrap it around
Cut that off there again.
like that.
I don't know.
Do you have a knife one? Here. I love how you just pull that out of your pants, like, immediately. You're like, yep, click.
I only got 4. Ready for any occasion.
Attached to your body currently.
Or, no, cut the other side of the swivel, sorry.
I appreciate that.
That's classified information.
My dad always used to carry 4 knives on his person, just in case he's one on his sock, one on his belt.
Never
one-
let anyone know your next move.
One on his sock, one on his belt, one on his suspenders, and one in his back pocket.
Well, sounds like Lady Gaga is the one for fishing.
Yeah,
Kesha for hunting, Lady Gaga for fishing.
yeah. I was just about to say, I thought it was Kesha, but
Because I think Lady Gaga won us last time too.
you know what? I think you're right.
Here comes the sketchy part of the operation. That's my knife.
You want me to hold the end of the line?
No, I don't want anyone else to be responsible for this except for me. Okay, give me the loop that I tied.
And the fish is just hanging out there. This fisherman's a chill guy.
fishing rod transplant.
This is a big fish.
It's probably just sitting on bottom that entire time.
It's gonna be a tire or a boot.
I hope it's not wrapped around the anchor line. Did you get that all on camera?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Reed would never believe me.
Did you want to tell him what you did for your fishing transplant while you?
So
warming this up?
I kind of just hand fought him there until he felt like he was not going to go for a run. And then I slowly coaxed him in like 10 feet. So I would have 10 feet of time before he pulled the line out of my hand. And I cut the line off this hook or on this rod, tied a loop in it, and then quickly cut the line and used that 10 feet of slack and however long it would take him to pull it out to tie that line into this line.
Do you want me to pull up the anchor?
Nope. No, I thought he might have been around the anchor line, but holy buckets.
Oh my gosh! Get the net, babe. That's huge.
No, from the head. Here, I'll turn him around.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Nice one.
First fish of the day. Babe, that's huge. So what is that?
That is a bull trout. I gotta get this hook out of the net.
Took a piece of his jaw with it, eh?
Oh, screw it.
Oh my god! Wow.
Look at that thickie. Look at that thick boy.
Hey,
Wow.
sick.
All right, can you get that hook out of the net?
That's a good picture. What a good photo.
That is a really good photo.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry.
All right, hooks out.
Okay.
Oh, and down he goes. Oh, you just soaked me. Oh, a good first fish. Pretty much the life. Sunshine, boat, fish, rock and roll.